Dear students, it's very important to establish and maintain focus in online journalism. Actually, online journalism is simply a contemporary format of print journalism that is distributed via internet. Since it has a different structure from the traditional one, it has its distinguished principles, features, and of course, its technological element. To make the best practices out of online journalism and reach your target audience, you have to master its game rules. Online journalism is the same as conventional journalism. It has its unique characteristics. And these characteristics include immediacy, because online news is always immediate as events occur. They are reported. And then interactivity. It contains interactivity. Online readers can interact with online content by commenting, reacting, or even sharing the content. And then it comes hypertextuality. Online journalists could add hyperlinks that relate their content to other contexts. And then it comes multimediality. Online journalists could attach images, videos, audios, and data visualization to enrich their produced content, which is not possible in traditional or conventional media. And then it comes always availability. Online media, online journalism is always available. Online content is always available. Even if the content is archived, readers can still see them, access them at any time. And then it comes real time. Online news could be published in real time, and journalists could provide updated breaking news and events as they happen. The one thing which is behind this phenomena, that is technology, because technology has given added value to online journalism and made it interactive. It also enabled online journalism to use various types of media content, for example, text, videos, images, audio, and data visualization, not to mention that each media type has its typical usage and impact. Undoubtedly, online journalism has its drawback, such as the spread of fake news. However, its numerous advantages outweigh the disadvantages. It allows instant access to information and provides readers with an interactive and personalized experience. How can you stay focused while creating content? Because this is very much important that you should focus while creating your content. Number one is set clear goals. Your goals should be very, very clear. And then you are required to plan your time. अपने वक्त की बहुत अच्छी मनसूबाबंदी कीजिए. And then eliminate distractions. Distractions को eliminate करें, ख़त्म करें. Irrelevant चीज़ें जो distract करें उनको eliminate करें, ख़त्म करें. And then take breaks. You are required to have some breaks. And then you should get feedback. Feedback is very much important because with the help of feedback, you can improve your content. And then reward yourself. अपने आप को रिवार्ड करें आप, और अपने आप के लिए रिवार्ड क्या हो सकता है? अपने आप को रिलैक्स करें, अपने आप को कुछ फ्री टाइम दें ताकि आप ज़्यादा बेहतर तरीके से परफॉर्म कर सकें. डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आई विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट.